Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a trend that's reshaping the TikTok landscape, the legendary Uno edit. Created by the talented TikToker Legendary J, this anime-themed Uno victory celebration has exploded in popularity, racking up millions of views and likes in just a matter of days. It's not just the numbers that are impressive, it's the creativity and the community engagement that's truly remarkable. What started as a single viral video has now become a cultural phenomenon, with creators from all corners of TikTok putting their own spin on the trend. It's a testament to the power of community and how a simple card game can unite people in the most unexpected ways. The response has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising the edit for its originality and flair. Some are even calling it a contender for the most liked video in TikTok history, which is no small feat. So what makes this Uno edit stand out? It's a combination of relatable content, who doesn't love a good game of Uno, mixed with high-quality editing that resonates with the anime community and beyond. It's a perfect storm of nostalgia, humor, and modern internet culture. And let's not forget the competitive aspect. The race to become the most liked video on TikTok is fierce, and this Uno edit is right up there with the heavy hitters. It's a clear sign that creativity and relatability are key to viral success,